As a next step, then you finally go into the rough cut. However, if you like, you can already export the stage you're at now into your editor. For example, Premiere, Resolve, Evid, any kind of format like this works. Here we are in the rough cut editor. This should be a familiar environment for any kind of video editor, as you can just delete clips or cut them at points, split them, remove the snippets that you've taken out, and then adjust. You always see for each clip which segment of it was used, which you can also adjust right here. And then you have a preview of what the video is going to look like. Here again, you can export the video into your preferred video editing environment, or alternatively, you move ahead to the last step, the final step, that is rendering the video.